We are at SeaWorld for a Howloscream event.
Oh.
Let's go inside and see what we can see.
Can't move on!
Very busy day on the 1st of October. First day of Halloween, I guess you could say, in a way. All right, just got our Fast Pass bands to get on all the haunted houses or the Express line. Try to find a first ride to get on, so I might get on Texas Stingray, but we'll see. All right, getting on Texas Stingray. So I brought my wrist strap for the GoPro. Completely forgot to bring it after I put my backpack in the locker, so I'm not gonna be able to film on it. No problem. Pretty much here just for the haunted houses, so no harm, no foul. Sorry, I'm gonna talk loud.
And pull that on your laptop.
Never mind. Music stopped. All right, yeah, Steel Eel next ride. I can't film, but I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Second ride of the night. I think probably our last ride. Haunted house time, I think. I think we got like, what do we got? T-minus 10 minutes. There we go. Oh, they got them all running around. They must have just came out, huh? Oh, they're all going in there. They're all going into the haunted house. Yeah. All right, going into the first haunted house. Atlantis, cursed. How do you say that word?
What?
Chasm? How do you say that? Chasm? Chaz? Anyway, first haunt. Let's go. There we go.
Oh, he's just singing this thing.
There we go.
Filming you, I'm filming you.
Uh-huh.
You filming.
He went to the cemetery.
What's happening right now? What's going on? Oh, cool. They just opened the door. We'll be the first ones in today.
Can't record, okay? Atlantis will not touch you and please don't touch them.
Perfect first go.
That like little kid at the very end, like on the floor. I'm like,
one of them got her and she's like,
It's definitely good. I like the colors, the animatronics, the motion, the lights, all of it. Zombie Horde is next. And if you see right up front, there is a Horde waiting for Zombie Horde. It's a little meta. Don't listen to the sign. It says closed. It's definitely open. Woo! All right. Second haunt. Let's go. Outdoors. I'm ready. Oh!
don't worry. We'll take real good care of you.
Oh, this is good during night. During day.
The chairs! Leave immediately! Get out of here now! You better run, they're gonna get you!
Oh, that's cool. This would be cool at night. Going right around him. Move it. Ooh, there he is. This is, yeah. Oh, to move it? Like you never get to go back here in this area. This is awesome. Whoa! Oh, there we go. There we go. Still going. Oh, it's stringy.
Decontamination in progress.
Oh.
Error. Please remain standing.
That guy loves it. Hello. Vampire point. That's the shirt I'm wearing. One right there. Yeah, there it is. Oh. All right. Number 3, right? Yeah. Milton Creek Manor. Let's do it. Woo, it's old timey. That was cool. I like the theming of it. The theme's good. It's not going to scare me right away, but it's good. Oh, look at that lighting. Oh my god.
Look at that. Everyone's like crying.
Karver's Kradle, number 4. That bad. I love, oh my gosh, the lighting's so good. Like, hits us just right. It's like a back entrance. Whoa, this is cool. It's pretty neat.
Name your Cannon Corvette, no flash, and just keep moving throughout the whole.
All right.
I see you!
Oh, spooky. Oh, shoot. Who's there? Answer the door. Answer the door. Whoa. Oh, that was you. I thought that was somebody. Oh, this is so disorienting. Oh, I like the touch of the red on on Weight Breaker. Definitely like adds to the theming over here. Very busy. Wave at me. Wow, they got the snow coming down. That's awesome. Party out here. Disassembly line, the best one in my opinion. Oh! You good up front? In front of me?
One of my friends! I just want a nibble.
That was good.
Well, yeah, I know that one was really good. That was awesome.
I really think I underdosed at the end.
It's my favorite out of both the parks. It's the best. All right, final haunt, but after this we're gonna do Zombie Horde, but Swamp, definitely a good one. Can't wait. All right, ready, Mike? Oh, right in my face.
Making sure your scream fills the wall.
Oh no. It's a good one. Definitely good. Up there. It's one of my top three, something like that. It is good. Zombie Horde at night.
Come on in. Come on, keep going. Come on, we're sorry. Get a move on.
Oh!
Hey.
I like that guy. Very into it.
Hey, you! You need to leave! Get out! He's gonna kill you! Get out!
Oh. Karver. He was following you for a while. God dang.
I didn't know it was gonna be like that tight of a thing.
Like a
and then he like followed me in there. Like,
Decontamination station active. Clones enter. In progress. Error. Please remain standing.
Way better at night. Way better. Woo. Oh, that was good.
Have you seen the Ripper?
No. Hello. Oh, I almost stepped on you.
oh, I thought I was a normal person.
Hey, Future Me here. I actually forgot to film an outro. I just wanted to jump in here real quick to say that I'm getting really close to hitting 1,000 subscribers and that I'm going to be doing some sort of giveaway and that I'm going to be doing a celebratory live at one of the parks. Oh, and one more thing. Just wanted to say thank you to the Thrill Seekers United Facebook group. If you want to be part of a bunch of thrill seekers, go join the group because you won't be disappointed. Like, subscribe, all that mess. But, that being said, have a good day.